Welcome to English Listening Stories. Did you know the next FIFA World Cup will be different from every World Cup before it? Most people know it will be big, but many people do not know the surprising facts behind it. In today's story, Jake from England and his American coworker Emma start talking about a FIFA World Cup poster during lunch. Then they discover something unexpected, and one fact surprises Emma more than anything else. Can you guess what it is? Don't worry, the English is slow, clear, and easy to follow. Here is your listening question. How many countries will host the FIFA World Cup 2026? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. When you know the answer, write it in the comments. Writing helps you practice English and remember more. Let's begin.
Hey Jake, have you seen this poster?
The World Cup poster. Yeah, I just noticed it.
I've been seeing these everywhere lately.
Same here. They're hard to miss.
The tournament is still a while away, right?
It is, but people are already getting excited.
Are you excited?
Definitely. I'm a football fan.
Right, you're from England. That makes sense.
It does help a little.
I like sports too, but I don't follow the World Cup very closely.
That's okay. A lot of people only watch the big matches.
I usually watch the final, sometimes the semifinals too.
That's still pretty good.
So what's special about this World Cup?
Actually, this one is different.
Really?
Yeah, very different.
What do you mean?
Well, a lot of people think it's just another World Cup.
Isn't it?
Not really. This tournament is going to make history.
Now you've got my attention.
I thought it might.
Come on, tell me more.
I'll give you a hint.
Okay.
Think about where the tournament will be played.
The United States?
That's only part of the answer.
Wait, only part of the answer?
Yep.
Now I'm curious.
Good.
You're really making me work for this information.
Just a little.
Fine, I'll keep guessing.
Or you can wait until we get to the next block.
You're enjoying this, aren't you?
Maybe a little.
Okay, Jake, tell me everything.
All right. The first fact might surprise you.
Okay, Jake, I'm ready. What's the big surprise?
The first big fact is about the host countries.
Host countries?
Yes, countries, not country.
Wait, countries?
That's right.
I thought the United States was hosting it.
The United States is hosting it.
Then why did you say countries?
Because the United States is not hosting it alone.
Really?
Really?
So who else is involved?
Canada and Mexico.
Oh, wow. 3 countries?
3 countries.
I had no idea.
Most people are surprised when they hear that.
Is this the first time something like this has happened?
It's the first World Cup hosted by 3 countries together.
That's actually pretty amazing.
It is. That's one reason people are talking about it so much.
I can see why.
Think about the fans.
What about them?
Some fans may travel between 3 different countries during the tournament.
That sounds like a big trip.
It does.
It also sounds fun.
Very fun if you like football and travel.
I like both.
Then this World Cup might be perfect for you.
Maybe I should go to a match.
You definitely should.
Have you ever been to a World Cup game?
No, but I've always wanted to.
This could be your chance.
That's what I'm thinking.
So the tournament will be in the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Exactly.
3 countries.
3 countries.
I didn't know that.
Now you do.
And now I'm even more interested.
Good, because there's another big change coming.
Bigger than 3 host countries?
You might think so once you hear it.
All right, Jake, what's the next big change?
This World Cup will be the biggest one ever.
People keep saying that.
They do.
But what does it actually mean?
It means more teams.
How many more?
48 teams.
48?
Yep, 48 teams.
How many teams were there before?
32.
That's a big jump.
It really is.
So there will be a lot more matches too.
Exactly.
That sounds huge.
It will be huge.
Why did they add more teams?
One reason is to give more countries a chance to play.
That makes sense.
Some countries have never played in a World Cup before.
Really?
Yes. For many teams, qualifying is very difficult.
So now more fans can see their country play?
That's the idea.
I actually like that.
Me too.
Do you think there will be any surprises?
Definitely.
Why?
Because new teams often bring unexpected results.
Like an underdog story?
Exactly like that.
People love underdog stories.
They do. That's part of what makes sports exciting.
So let me see if I remember.
Go ahead.
The last format had 32 teams.
Correct.
The new format has 48 teams.
Correct again.
And there will be more matches.
Exactly.
Wow, this really is the biggest World Cup ever.
That's why so many people are excited about it.
3 countries and 48 teams.
And we're not finished yet.
There's more?
Oh, there's definitely more.
Now I'm starting to understand the hype.
Just wait until you hear the next fact.
All right, Jake, what's the next fact?
This one is about Mexico.
Mexico?
Yep, Mexico is about to make history.
More history?
A very special kind of history.
Now I'm curious again.
Mexico will host the World Cup for the 3rd time.
The 3rd time?
That's right.
Has any other country done that before?
No, that's what makes it special.
Wow, I didn't expect that.
Most people don't.
I would have guessed England.
A lot of people say that.
Or maybe Germany.
That's another common guess.
But it's Mexico.
Exactly.
That's actually impressive.
It really is.
When were the other 2 World Cups there?
One was in 1970, the other was in 1986.
That's a long time ago.
It is.
People must really love football there.
They absolutely do.
Have you ever been to Mexico?
Not yet.
I'd like to visit someday,
Me too.
especially during a World Cup.
The atmosphere would be incredible.
I can imagine fans everywhere.
Flags, songs, and football shirts everywhere.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
That's one of the best parts of a World Cup. Fans from all over the world together.
Exactly. So, Mexico will become the first country to host 3 World Cups.
That's correct.
A real world record.
A real world record.
I'm learning a lot today.
And we still have one of my favorite facts left.
Better than this one?
For football fans, definitely.
Now I really want to hear it.
It involves one of the most famous stadiums in football history.
That sounds interesting already.
Trust me, football fans never forget this stadium.
Okay, Jake, tell me about this famous stadium.
It's called Estadio Azteca.
I've heard the name before.
Most football fans have.
What makes it so special?
It has a lot of history.
Football history?
Lots of football history.
Tell me more.
It hosted World Cup matches in 1970 and 1986.
Those are the same years you mentioned earlier.
Exactly.
And it will be used again in 2026?
Yes,
That's pretty amazing.
it is.
So the stadium will be part of 3 World Cups too.
That's right.
Wow.
Many famous moments happen there.
Like what?
Some of the most famous matches in football history.
Do people still talk about them?
All the time.
Even after all these years?
Yes. Great sports moments can last forever.
I guess that's true.
Think about great Olympic moments or famous Super Bowls.
People still talk about those too.
Exactly.
So this stadium means more than just football.
In a way, yes.
It's connected to memories.
That's a good way to describe it.
Now I understand why fans care about stadiums.
They're part of the story.
Before today, I only thought about the teams.
Most people start that way.
But now I see there's a lot more behind it.
There really is.
3 countries,
Right.
48 teams,
Correct?
Mexico hosting for the 3rd time,
Exactly.
and this famous stadium with all that history.
You've got it.
I didn't expect to learn so much during lunch.
We're not done yet.
There's still more?
One more thing.
What is it?
I want to know what you're most excited about now.
That's a good question.
So what are you most excited for?
Let me think for a second.
Take your time.
I think it's the atmosphere.
The atmosphere?
Yeah, fans from all over the world coming together.
That's one of my favorite parts too.
I live in the United States, so it feels a little more personal this time.
That makes sense.
Big matches will be much closer to home.
You're lucky.
Maybe.
Have you ever watched a match with a large crowd?
A few times.
It's a great experience.
I can imagine thousands of people cheering at the same time.
That sounds amazing.
It really is. What about you?
Me?
Yeah, what are you most excited for?
I'm looking forward to the new teams.
The countries playing for the first time?
Exactly.
Why is that your favorite part?
Because nobody knows what might happen.
That's true.
Every tournament has surprises.
You like the underdog stories.
I do.
Everyone loves a good underdog story.
Especially in sports.
Do you think a new team could shock everyone?
It's possible.
That's exciting.
That's why people keep watching.
You never know what will happen next.
Exactly.
You know, when I first saw that poster, I wasn't thinking much about the World Cup.
And now?
Now I'm actually looking forward to it.
Really?
Really?
That's good to hear.
3 countries,
Right?
48 teams,
Yep.
and fans from everywhere.
That's what makes it special.
I can't wait to see what happens.
Me neither.
This might be a World Cup to remember.
I think it will be.
You know what?
What?
I want to see how much I remember.
Sounds good.
Let's do a quick review.
All right, go for it.
First, the World Cup will be hosted by 3 countries:
Correct.
the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Exactly right.
At first, I thought it was only the United States.
A lot of people think that.
Then I learned that 3 countries are hosting together.
That's one of the biggest stories of this tournament.
Then there will be 48 teams.
That's right.
The biggest World Cup ever.
The biggest one in history.
More teams means more matches.
And more chances for surprises.
I remember that part.
The underdog stories?
Exactly.
Those are always fun.
After that, we talked about Mexico.
We did.
Mexico will host the World Cup for the 3rd time.
A special record.
The first country ever to do that.
Correct again.
I'm doing pretty well.
You're doing very well.
Then we talked about that famous stadium.
Estadio Azteca.
Right, Estadio Azteca.
One of the most famous stadiums in football history.
And now I understand why football fans talk about it so much.
It has seen some incredible moments.
You know what's funny?
What's that?
This started with a simple poster.
That's true.
I saw a poster and asked one question.
And now you're ready for World Cup trivia.
Maybe not quite yet.
You're closer than you think.
I definitely know more than I did an hour ago.
That's always a good thing.
Thanks for explaining everything.
No problem. I enjoyed talking about it.
Now I'm actually excited for 2026.
Welcome to the club.
Maybe I'll even watch more than just the final this time.
That's what I like to hear.
And if I have questions, I know who to ask.
Anytime.
Deal.
Deal.
Well, here comes our food.
Perfect timing.
Thanks again, Jake.
You're welcome, Emma.
I can't wait for the World Cup.
Neither can I.
Great job listening today. You stayed with the story, followed the conversation, and practiced your English. That's something to feel good about. Before you go, let's review a few useful English expressions from today's story. I had no idea. This means I didn't know. Example, I had no idea 3 countries would host the World Cup. Tell me more. You can use this when something sounds interesting and you want to hear more. Example, that sounds exciting. Tell me more. I'm looking forward to. This means you feel excited about something in the future. Example, I'm looking forward to the World Cup. Now let's go back to our listening question. How many countries will host the FIFA World Cup 2026? Write your answer in the comments. You can also tell us which expression you liked most today. Writing a short comment is great English practice, and it helps you remember new words and phrases longer. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow, relaxing, and natural English conversations. And if you'd like to support more stories like this, you can become a channel member. Keep listening, keep learning, keep growing. See you in the next English Listening Stories video.